Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing a garlic rice recipe which is very fast and easy to cook. This recipe is very amazing and all-time favorite for everyone. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So to make a garlic rice here, I have taken 2 large cups of long basmati rice. You can take any other whichever you have or you like. Wash them properly and soak them and keep aside. Now here I have taken 20 to 25 garlic cloves, 1 small piece of ginger and 4 to 5 green onions. Mash garlic with the help of a garlic presser, or you can chop it with a knife also. Same as a garlic, chop ginger too into small fine pieces. Now cut the green spring leaves of onion in small slices and keep them aside, as we have to use them for garnishing. Now cut left fresh onions into small slices. Here you can add green chilies too, but I have not because my children don't prefer it. Now heat the pan and pour 3 to 4 spoons of oil in it and let it be hot. Here first of all I put 1 cube of Maggi Magic Cube. It is easily available in a mart or at grocery shop. Saute it for 5 seconds and then add chopped garlic and ginger into the pan and saute them until they turn into a light golden color. Add sliced onion and saute it for 5 to 10 seconds. Now add soaked rice in the same pan. Put salt according to your taste. Half lemon juice, 2.5 glasses of water. Stir this all properly and cover the pan with the lid. Let the rice be cooked for 15 to 20 minutes. But you have to check the rice occasionally to see if it needs water. When rice is done, put 2 tablespoons of Szechuan chutney, fresh green spring onions and finely chopped green coriander leaves. Mix this all evenly. We don't have to mix the rice so much that it breaks or sticks together. So here our garlic rice is ready. You must cook and test this recipe once. It is very quick and tasty recipe. Especially children like this very much.